Hello, my name is Chris, and today we are making a yummy breakfast. First, we're going to wash our hands. Now we put the chocolate on and cover it with this. You want to push it down a little bit. You put it in the toaster. Now you just wait for it to be complete. And while we wait, we're going on to step 2. Put the two leftover breads. You get your yummy eggs. Your yummy eggs. You have to crack them. Crack them. Okay. I'm going to put this to the side. Grab our other egg. Then I'm going to crack this egg. Open it up. And now we turn this on. Now we turn the oven on. Right there. Now we wait for it to... Now let's put some sausage in the air fryer while we wait for the eggs to cook. Now we're gonna flip it. The eggs are ready now, so we're gonna take it off, put it on the plate with the chocolate. And the sausage is ready now, so now we're gonna take it out. Now we're gonna start with the sausage. That's hot. I'm gonna do that one last. Okay, no, we're gonna do the chocolate. Ooh, that sounds good. Nice and crispy. You could see there's yummy chocolate inside the middle. Bite it. That's good. That is so good. Very good. Let's wash it down with a drink of lunch. Now we're gonna do the yummy eggs. Cut it nicely. Nice cut. Gonna eat it. Cut it nice and good. Nice cut. Now that it's good, it has a nice cut. We're gonna just chomp down. That's good. That is so good. Finally, we're gonna do the sausage. I love sausage. Still a little hot, but very good. To finish it off, we're gonna wash down all the orange juice. Cheers, I hope you liked my video. Hope you like and try this recipe.